Nearly 500,000 people signing up for the Portfolio Challenge. Last week, our bloggers gave viewers some strategic stock plays, and if you paid attention, you got an edge. Our blogger Jeff Mischlove last week picking Steinmart, which is up more than $2 since the beginning of the week. Also, Chaparral Steel up more than $4 since Monday. You've got to listen to him. Jeff's a blogger at forecastingsystems.com, also the author of Jeffrey Mischlove's Handbook for contestants in CNBC's Million Dollar Portfolio Challenge. Hedge fund manager James Altucher is a founder and CEO of StockPicker.com. But Jeff, let's begin with you. You're the man. I mean, we got to pay attention to what you say now.
Thank you.
What do you like this week?
This week I'm going for Cons Inc. and DSW Inc.
All right, what do you like? Why?
They're both coming out with earnings announcements, and these are both stocks where there's a lot of short interest. If the earnings announcements are positive, those short sellers are going to have to reverse and buy, and that could cause a big jump in the price.
You love watching the short interest. I think it's probably your biggest metric in terms of your picks. You've had good success with retail, right? Joanne Stores and now DSW. Why? Are you nervous about playing that field too much?
Well, it could backfire. You see large movements, and sometimes they're in the negative direction.
Okay. James, what's on your list?
Carl, in general, I think everybody has, the media has basically said the subprime lending industry has completely collapsed, which is not true. I mean, if you listen to what's out there, you would think you and I are going to be pushing apple carts next week or something.
The word subprime is almost being abused now to some degree.
Exactly.
Right?
Everybody thinks that paper is worthless. Meanwhile, you have Fremont General, a legit bank in California, just sold off their whole subprime business for 97 cents on the dollar. So I think Fremont, people have thrown out the baby with the bathwater. We're ready to move with that one.
You like Opsware too, really quickly? Why?
I like Opsware. I've actually been learning from my friend Jeff here. Like, Opsware's got 13 million shares short, and not only that, there's insiders buying. It's the insiders versus the shorts. The insiders are going to win. That stock's going to move next week.
Okay, we're going to get a lot more from you gentlemen in a little